Hello everyone, in this lecture we will be learning about route grouping. So previously we saw how can we name our routes, right? Now in this video we will be seeing how can we group our all routes for more readability and flexible use. Suppose you have a customer CRUD, you are building a customer CRUD, so there will be like a customer list, customer edit, customer show, etc route, right? So if you want to group those routes, you can do it. So let's take some dummy routes for us. Let's say I will get, let's say I will take a customer route. So suppose when we will hit customer, there will be a customer list. I will take another route. It will be customer create, and let's say it will be customer create. There will be another route, customer sorry, there is customer show, right? Show. So here is our three routes. Let's go to our project and let's check if those routes are working or not. Sorry, we can see it's showing customer list. Then let's say we'll go to customer create, it's showing customer create, then show, it's showing customer show, right? In real life project we will be surely passing parameters and other stuff in our route. We will see about it more detailedly when we will work with CRUD project. So let's continue. Now we will group these three routes. So for grouping routes, you have to say route : group, and this group function will take two parameters. First will be an array and second will be a closure, right? Now let's put our all route in this closure. You can see we just moved our all three routes in this route group. Let's check our routes again, and you can see our route is still working, no issue, right? Now if you notice that we have customer word in our route several times. Every route has this customer word in it. Okay, so we will remove it and we will add a prefix to our group, like prefix, then we will cut customer and paste it here, right? So let's remove customer from every route. So basically we are in a route group, right? So I just add a prefix named customer. So this prefix will apply to all my routes inside this group, and I don't need to write customer in my routes anymore. If I go to my browser, if I refresh the page, you can see my page is still visible and it's working. Let's say create, enter, still working, right? You can see our route doesn't have the customers anymore because we add a prefix on the route group. So it's the customer word is applying to all my routes automatically. So you can have a question that why we just group our route. Suppose you don't want to call your routes customer anymore. Let's say you want to say it user, right? So when I will go to again at my browser, refresh, you will see I get 404 because my all routes that was customer route before now changed by user. If I type user and enter, you can see I'm getting the response. Create, right? Now our URL is starting with user. Now this is the flexibility of route grouping. In case of previously, if I had to change anything on my route, I had to go in every route and change it. Right now I can just change it here and the changes will automatically apply it in my all routes.